Hey everybody, welcome back to The Furnace. I'm Corey. I appreciate you stopping by the channel today to check out this video. Today, I'm going to show you a video of our packaging process. Now, I'm going to show that to you because this is one of the questions that I hear pretty often. And whether it's online or at a show or over the phone, people are curious if we even ship. And the answer, of course, is yes. We ship all over the world. We will ship our items wherever they need to go. So another thing that people ask us is, how well is it packed? So we've taken a lot of time and care in order to make sure that our items are packed very well. We have done customized cell dividers for larger orders. We double box the majority of the orders that we ship out. And the ones that are single box are usually just a single item with a lot of space around it. So we want to make sure that they're all really safe when they leave our studio and get into whichever shipper's hands it's going to go through. We also fully insure all the orders that are placed and shipped out of our studio. So if anything ever does happen in the shipment process, if there's any breakage whatsoever, we make sure to send out a brand new item and make sure you get what you ordered as it was supposed to be. So here I'm going to show you a quick time-lapse video of Leanne, my wife and my business partner, who is packing up a couple of orders. This was just the other week, and you'll see how much care she puts into making sure that the items are wrapped thoroughly and that they are put into the boxes properly. So just to give you a sense of how much care we put into making sure that things get to you safely, I wanted you guys to have this little inside look at our process. So enjoy. thanks so much for watching today. I hope this gives you a good idea of how much care we put into shipping the items from our studio to you. If you are curious about what items we do sell and make here at the studio, you can hop onto our website, furnaceglassworks.com, or onto our Etsy page. I will put the links for both of those in the description of this video. And if you could take a second and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, you'll get more inside peeks as to how we do things here at the shop. So thanks a lot. Take care, and I will see you next week.